Here is Midnight Horseman, Primo part. Here is middle C, but as a duet player, I move over so that I am somewhere in this position. I'm going to move over again. I'm going to make sure that my belly button is right at that treble C. All right, and there's my warm-up. Notice that F sharp. All right. Right hand alone, measure 5. How in measure 11, how the melody was shared between both hands. So I added those 2 notes so that I could hear that. Here's the repeat, quieter. Notice the staccato and tenuto. That gives it character. Right hand alone. Notice. You remember the secundo does this. Pinky stays on that G the whole time, and we're back to the melody. One, 2, 3, 4, left hand. Learn that ending. Middle black key, left hand. B, F sharp and G, very dissonant. Okay, the left hand will do the same thing as the right, except it starts on an E flat, so it sounds harmonic. Watch out, the left hand does different things at times. For instance, they go towards each other, and then they go in the same direction. Here's the left hand lone. Notice I'm using the white F. Okay, now left hand, you move over to these 2 notes. That'll be easier. And back to, I'll go slow. Off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest.